Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and today I am talking about Block Heads 3, Block 16, which actually happens to be my block this week. And I'm going to share some tips and tricks for working on this block, and let's get started. So today I'm talking about Moda Block Heads 3, Block 16, and this week it's actually my block. And you know I love half square triangles, and so I designed this week's block with two different sizes of half square triangles. And this is really an opportunity to get as scrappy as you want. I decided to use the same print for the larger half square triangles, but you could even make those scrappy and it would be super cute. I also, with this large background triangle, decided to use a light floral to just add even more interest, and I felt like it really contrasted nicely with the smaller print coral that I use for those sections. Here I kind of tried to stay with like a blue and a taupe and a green and an aqua, even though I switched up the prints in most cases. So just really have fun with this. If you have a lot of half square triangles left on hand from other projects, this is a great block to use them in, especially the smaller ones. And you can use triangle paper if you would like, in place of making the half square triangles the traditional way. Another thing I did is that the pattern instructions for my block actually have you cutting squares and cutting them in half diagonally to make the half square triangles. I did not do that. I used my method of putting the squares right sides together and sewing and then cutting, so that you're not having the triangle edges to stretch. And the cutting measurements on the pattern do not change, just the method changes a little bit differently. And I'll put a link in the description to another video and another blog post where I show my method of making those half square triangles. But again, you could also use triangle paper for all of the different sections of this, and I will put links also for the size triangle paper that you'll need to use if you want to do that. But this is just a fun block. You might even be able to make it from your scrap bin if you've been saving half square triangles. I hope you enjoyed this video on Moda Block Heads 3, Block 16. And remember that I will link to my blog below in the description, where you can go to get the free PDF pattern. And I will also have my tips and tricks on the blog as well. I hope you'll subscribe to the channel, and thanks so much for stopping by.